Ryan Moody here. Let's go over the Lantern Watch application, a light for your entire network. So right away on the main page here, we can see we have 14 devices connected to our network. We have 37,000 queries today. So devices looking up DNS addresses, like how do you get to Google, etc., and block rate for ads. And as we scroll on down, we can see all the devices that are connected to the network. We can pause any particular device. We can set up a schedule for a device. So like a curfew, like this device should be offline during this time and that time. And the app will actually just shut the internet off for that device. And you can do like focus times if you want during the day, or total screen time as well. You can also jump in and see more details about that particular device. You can do this in two spots. One here, so it can tell you the peak time, how many queries today, total time online. You can pause, get to the schedule, see what were the sites that it went to today as well. Also, under this traffic tools here, we can see query log. So if you wanted to dive into like all that have been blocked in the last hour, you could go and filter that, and we can see, oh, this device is trying to go to this site, and those are blocked in our DNS records. So pretty cool. So you can dive in, and that retains that history for, well, up to you. You could do 30, 60, 90 days. You can also jump in and see and label all your devices. So we can auto redetect all types. The types is this classification right here. So when you hit the pause network, that's all your person's or child devices. So you want to make sure before you hit that pause, you're set up as an admin, and everybody that you want to pause is set up as a child. So this is kind of a one-time go in, label your devices. The system tries to tell you what that device is and so forth. And then at the end of the day, you're going to come down here and click save. Also in here is notifications. So you'll want to do this one time too. This is a set it and forget it. You can set up to get notifications either from this NTFY app, which is local to your own network. So it only works that if your device is in your network and you've got this set up on your phone, you can get a notification. You can also use Telegram if you want to be about Costco, Walmart, wherever. You can set this up and you'll get notified when you're out. You can do the same for email as well. You can say what type of alerts you want to get alerted on, adult content, which would be any DNS block site, new devices joining your network, high block rate, possible VPN, and we also have some daily summary tests here and weekly summary. As well at the bottom, how to set up each individual device. And I'll probably do some videos on those as well. So if we hit send summary test, that is going to send us a notification. I'll get an alert, and we can see right here, here it is. So that's kind of like your weekly summary, and you can have a test summary, and then there's daily summaries as well. So really cool. I like that feature. Socials. So you want to go in the first time you set this up and set up like, how do you want Lantern Watch? Do you want it completely open? Do you want to be moderate, teen, or strict? And there's a definition up there of what you do. I have it on custom. So we have YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and Reddit. And I don't have the safe search enabled, but if you wanted to have that on, you could just click that and apply. And then that profile will be across the entire network for every device at your house. One thing just to note, so when I had safe search on, safe search doesn't allow you to make comments on YouTube videos. And we like to make comments, so we turn safe search off. But there are some benefits to having safe search as well. So you need to kind of weigh that out. Services. So services is a feature that's built into AdGuard. And this is utilizing those features. So you can go in here and you can block any site you want. Amazon, Netflix, Nintendo, etc. And I'm not going to block those, but you could go into any of these and click them off and then click save. And then when someone tries to go to that site, it'll be blocked. They won't be able to get to there. Okay, so that is Lantern Watch in a nutshell. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.